In the last video I showed you how to upload or link to a picture. In this video I want to show you how you can use pictures as links. You may have looked at some of the other guides that are already done. For example, I'm going to show you this 21st Century Researcher Guide. And you may have noticed that sometimes pictures actually are used as links. So for example, right here, this Salem Witch Trials picture and this How Witchcraft Works picture, if you were to preview these, and I'm going to do that now, they would actually work as links instead of having a URL there. So let me go ahead and go to preview. Scroll down. Okay, and if I click on this first one right here, it's going to bring me to the website. So you might be wondering how to do that, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So let me switch back to my page and go back to edit. Okay, and the first thing that you want to do is to put your picture up. So I'm going to pick a random picture from my computer. Upload it. Okay, and now it's inserted on my page. Now if I want to create a link from this picture, I just have to highlight the picture, and I'm going to go to this little world with a chain in front of it, and this is the link button. So if I click that, I can go ahead and either link to a web page, and I can also link to a document if I'd like to do that. So let me do a web page first of all. And I'm just going to link to Google for an example. And click OK. And now it's linked. So let me go to the preview again. Let me save the picture first so I don't lose it. Save. Okay. Okay, so here's my live preview, and now you can see that when I mouse over the picture, it changes from an arrow to a hand. So I know it's linked, and if I click there, it's going to bring me to Google. Okay, so that's one way that you can turn pictures into links. And I really like using pictures as links because it just looks better than just having a long URL. Okay, so as I said, you can also turn pictures into items that link to documents. So I'm going to click on this picture again and go back to the link button. And this time, instead of having a URL, I'm going to go ahead and erase that. I'm going to upload a document to this picture. So I'm going to go to Choose File, and this only accepts Word documents in the .doc format, text documents, or PDFs. So I'm going to just choose this PDF right here, send it to the server. Okay, and it gives you a personalized little URL where the computer is going to look for that on your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now it's going to be linked to the document. So let me preview changes. Save it real quick. Do the live preview so we can see what it looks like to the students. Okay, and this time when I click the picture, it's going to go ahead and go right to that document. So that's another way that you can use a picture as a link. And I'll talk a little bit more about just doing some simple linking in the next video, but a lot of people have been asking about how to do that specific type of linking. So if you have any questions about that, let me know.